Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Avikshit back with another analysis video. Now for gold, we are going to draft a plan for the next week and typically based on what we observed in the past week. So we're going to use that to identify where the next week is headed to. Okay, and I personally believe in this and following the plan that I generate here and modifying it as and when it's required. So when we come to the 1 hour time frame, what do we see? We see a big fall right from here to here. Okay, it's a big fall, but if you can see, selling, good pullback, slow selling fall, and again slow selling fall, then it is consolidating right now. As I mentioned in the previous video, we know that the market structure has three phases, right? 1, 2, and 3. So 3 is done. So what does this mean? This means that the further uh, trend, if it falls like this, is likely to give a trap, right? So here I've marked the zones, this and this being the major zones marked in black, this and this minor zones, and this is a middle zone in between the minor zones. So our plan is ideally formed within this zones. So let us come to the plan. So my plan ideally is buying side. Why? Because the three trends or three cycle is over. So any continuation is likely to be a fake out. So my plan will be on the bullish side, right? So now how am I seeing a bullish side? So apart from this cycle, there is something else that I want to share. Okay, if you can see, if we see this fall, it has retraced back to 0.6, right? And then if we see the fall from here to here, no retracement, here to here, no retracement. Okay, if I come from here to here, it has come to the ideal level of retracement, right? Now if I can see this big trend from here to here, there is no a retracement which has been healthy. Even here it was a trend continuation, it didn't come near 0.5, it just reversed from 0.2. So ideally I'm expecting a pullback, if not a complete reversal. I'm expecting a pullback until 0.38 to 0.5 levels, so which is this level. I'm expecting a pullback until here before it reverses or continues upside, which I am not sure of, because Trump's USD first philosophy has strengthened dollar in such a manner that all currencies or any commodity pegged against the US dollar has been falling, and anything pegged with the US dollar has been rising. For instance, we see cryptocurrencies which is relative to the US dollar, so which is denominated in the US dollar. So when USD goes up, cryptocurrencies value goes up, right? However, gold is a different case. Gold is against the US dollar. So in such cases, when USD goes up, gold goes down, and that is why gold has been crashing for the past week or two. So in this fall, I'm expecting a correction, if not a complete reversal. A pullback, if not a complete reversal, to capture. So pullback until this zone before it falls or it continues. Okay, my ideal capturing zone will be this trend. So how am I planning to execute this? As you can see, what do we see here? We see a support and a small resistance being marked, right? So in this case, my plan would be, so see, M pattern is being formed. Who will be interested on this breakdown? It will be the sellers, right? So when sellers enter, stop losses are placed here, so we can target this. If it breaks, this can be one plan, right? Or if it breaks, halts, then on the range breakout I can take the reversal trade. But if I want to capture, the complete momentum, this is how it is done. And if you can see, this being the support level, it has also taken support multiple times, 3 4, right? So buyer stop losses are also here, so before it goes up it can remove the existing buyers and then show its up move. So is it clear? So the plan is pretty clear. It is to the bullish side. How are we planning to enter? We will wait for the M formation to take place, breakdown, retest or halt here before we capture the up move. So our plan could be more like this. Below the resistance, we can target this. This will be the first liquidity zone because M pattern sellers will place their stop losses here. Here if it shows weakness in buying, then we will exit this trade. So this will be the first target, this will be the second target. So here let me tell you something I've told you in the previous videos. Round numbers are crucial to note. So if you can see, 80, 70, 90 are all crucial numbers where you should plan your exit, because those are psychological numbers and market can ideally reverse from those points. So if you can see, 2590 is here, it has reversed. Then 2600 support. Then if you can see, 2620, before reaching that level it is reversed. So more or less you can target up to that level or just beyond that, to in that range for capturing. So we will target from here to 2590 max, which is around 286 pips. I know that's a lot, but this will be taken as a swing trade. Also see, there are sellers already in the game. How trend line breakdown. Trend line has been broken, sellers are in the game, so they will further sellers will be invited on this breakdown. Then we can capture this big move and close our day. Right? So this will be the plan. Okay, let's take an adverse scenario, right? Now, what if market does not give a breakdown? It does not give a breakdown. Instead, what it does is it comes here again and breaks this. So what can we see here? It is an invite setup, but the thing to note here is, in a downtrend, buyers will be trapped. In an uptrend, sellers will be trapped. So this breakout will form an obvious setup for the buyers because it becomes a pole and flag or whatever that pattern is called kind of pattern. So in this case, we will plan a selling side trade. If the breakout happens here or here at market open on Monday. So if it opens here, we will plan a shorting position here until here. If it opens here, the same plan we will follow for the downside. Okay, so downside and upside is pretty clear. Now what if it opens here at the resistance and starts halting? In this case, we can plan an upside because see, breakdown, lower high, lower low, at lower high it should go down, but it is just simply inviting the sellers. What does it mean? All the stop losses will be here and you can capture a big move to the upside, right? So this is also an obvious level, right? This is also an obvious level which has to be paid attention to. Since this can serve as a big resistance or support. There's another level that can be marked, which is this level. How am I saying this is a fair level? Support, 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 support. Then here if we come, resistance, halt, support, then break. This can or cannot be considered that is a very small minor zone which may be opted out of, but we can consider this, right? So this will be the plan. So the first plan will be here breakdown to capture the up move, right? Or if it comes here, you capture the down move too. Then third will be here, if it invites, you can capture upside. Then if it breaks, then you will capture downside. Is that pretty clear? Yes. So thank you for staying tuned and watching till the end. We'll see you in the next video.